Hey guys, what's going on? It's Brian. Welcome to the Content to Cash Machine. I'm excited you're here. If you're a business owner and you're tired of the content hamster wheel, this is the place for you. This will teach you how to build a system that actually brings in clients. So, if that's what you're looking for, you're in the right place. Here's a big problem. A lot of business owners, myself included, think they have a content problem, but they don't. They have a systems problem. They post inconsistently. They don't know what to say. They get stuck in this weird perfectionist trap and they never see any return off effort. A lot of times they don't even get off the starting line. Okay. And so this community is designed to solve that problem for you. The content to cash machine. So, what is it? The content cash machine is a simple, repeatable system for turning your expertise into income through content. It's not about going viral. It's not about posting 10, 15, 20 times a day. It's about creating the right content that attracts the right clients, right? We operate off of three pillars here. Number one, the good enough mindset. We believe that done is better than perfect. So we focus on the clarity side of things, not cinematic quality. Clarity allows us to remain consistent. Number two, we focus on the problem first framework. We create content that solves problems for our ideal clients or piques their curiosity or informs them. This is what makes your content convert. It's got to be relatable and got to be for your ideal client. Number three, the systems and support. We provide step-by-step systems and frameworks to create content. And then we have community support to keep you going when you get stuck. All right. What you guys are going to get out of this? My goal is very simple. All right. I want to build a predictable system for attracting clients through content so that you can get off of this roller coaster with content and stop having to watch all these videos about all these cameras that you probably shouldn't buy. We want to get rid of all of that and simplify it so that you can get your first video out, get started with getting your reps in and getting your practice in. Okay. You'll leave this community with the skills and confidence to create content that works. And when I say content, we're starting here with video, but there's so much types of content that people post on social media that draws clients in. We're going to start with video, but I'm probably going to be doing videos that talk about newsletters. We're going to do audio podcasts. We're going to talk about taking pictures and utilizing the carousel features on sites like Instagram and things, blog posts. Like there's all kinds of different ways that we can create content that converts. Once you understand the framework, it's easy to kind of apply it to different types of media. All right. So first things first, we're going to talk about how this community works. I want you to go to the Start Here tab. And then the Start Here post is introduce yourself and talk about, tell us what you want to get out of this, what goals you're looking to achieve. Head over to the classroom. The classroom, that's going to be where you're going to find the very first video, the very first course, which walks you through the basics of lighting, audio, and video. And it's going to give you a framework to get your first video recorded and then how to iterate, how to get better at making the videos, how to get better at getting the reps in and getting comfortable on camera. And so that's what you're going to find in that first class. So that's, start there. All right. Here's the thing. I want you to utilize this community. All right. I want you to share your progress. We do have a thread for sharing your progress. We have a thread for sharing your videos so that you can get real-time feedback from me and other people in the group. Ultimately, I would love this to be a group where business owners do business with other business owners. We'll see how that goes. But ask for feedback, give feedback. The more you give, the more you get. Check the calendar. I'm going to start booking out times where I'm doing live streams, where I'm just available to answer questions. And that's your chance to hop in and ask me some direct questions. As we start getting into a groove of things, we're going to probably start having hot seats where the community can help you solve problems and answer questions. And I'm going to have office hours, open-ended times where I'm available to answer questions. I don't hold stuff back, and so that's really what this is about. All right. So stay on top of it. Check the calendar. This is your chance to get that direct feedback from me. And if you need more than what we have offered, I do have ways to, book out some individual one-on-one consult times. There's going to be some special rates for people in the community. All right. So your mission, the mission is simple. Watch post in the introduction, introduce yourself, and then start the courses. Start that first course. Start the basics course of lighting, video, audio. You'll see it in there. Okay. That's where we start. Start getting your practice in, because the only thing that's going to make you better is practicing. That's the only thing. Okay. So that's it. Let's take your first step and you'll be on your way. Let's get that first video recorded. That's really what I want. That's the goal. Once you get past that first video, everything else flows downhill. But the first video is the hardest one to get out. So that's the one we want to tackle first. All right. I'm excited to have you here, and provide feedback. Let me know how I can make this experience better for you, or what kind of information you want in the community, or what kind of courses you're needing. The first one is going to be your basics of recording yourself. The next module I'm creating is probably going to be the basics of distributing your content. I'm saving editing for a future one, just because I don't want you to fall down the rabbit hole of editing quite yet, because it's very easy to fall off into a perfectionist trap with editing. I want you to get proficient and comfortable talking to camera. Then I want you to get good at distributing videos without judgment. Those are the two things. That's going to build your momentum faster than anything else. Once we get those two things nailed down, then we can start moving on to editing to start improving on the videos. So that's what it is. Let's get to work. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will hit you guys later. Peace.